Gates open, they're up and racing. Erica's Talent moving up is the favorite. Double the charm. Is Stand By Your Man. Jaden Diamond is on the outside. Then moving up, Lady Diamond. Running by the rail is entry number 6, Sweet Julian. Running alongside comes Senor Elijah. Then followed over by Domek. Maimpok Foxtrot running third last, second last Sophia's Fury, and trailing the group is Careless Whisper. Heading towards the 1,000-meter mark, we have Double the Charm in command by about a length and a half. Erica Staller is in second, running in third, Stand By Your Man. Then followed now by Lady Diamond, running by the rail, Sweet Julian. Jaden Diamond comes next. Domek followed by Maimpok running on the outside. Is Senor Elijah Foxtrot followed by Sophia's Fury and Careless Whisper still bringing up the rear. Past the last 600, no change with the leader. Double the Charm, this time increasing its marker into a double digit. And running now in second, moving up, Sweet Julian. Erica Staller is fading out. Is Stand By Your Man. Lady Diamond, Domek, Foxtrot is sneaking in down on the inside as they turn for home. Double the Charm still looks good in front by about 8 lengths. Sweet Julian still in second with the last 150 more to run. Is still setting the pace. And too classy for race number 6 is Double the Charm, winning this race by about 8 over Sweet Julian. Is Stand By Your Man, Domek, and Foxtrot for your Pentapecta.